Ever savored the taste of authentic Vietnamese shrimp spring rolls? A delightful blend of flavors wrapped in delicate rice paper. These rolls are a gastronomic adventure waiting to be explored. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. For the spring rolls, we'll need 8 rice paper wrappers, 8 ounces of cooked shrimp, a cup each of thinly sliced lettuce, julienne carrot and cucumber, a 1/4 cup each of fresh cilantro and mint leaves, and 4 ounces of rice vermicelli noodles. To complement these rolls, we'll be making a delicious peanut dipping sauce. For this, we require a 1/4 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of warm water, juice of half a lime, and an optional teaspoon of chili garlic sauce for those who enjoy a spicy kick. First, ensure all ingredients are prepared and within reach. Cook the rice vermicelli noodles as per the package's instructions, rinse under cold water, and set aside. Now, let's soften the rice paper. Fill a large plate with warm water. Dip 1 rice paper wrapper into the water for about 10 to 15 seconds until it starts to soften. Lay it flat on a clean, slightly damp kitchen towel. It's time to assemble our spring rolls. On the bottom third of the rice paper, neatly arrange a small handful of lettuce, carrot, and cucumber sticks. Sprinkle some cilantro and mint. Add a portion of the rice vermicelli noodles and place 2 shrimp halves with the cut side up. Fold the bottom of the rice paper over the filling, then fold in the sides and roll it up tightly. Place the roll seam side down on a plate and cover with a damp cloth to keep it from drying out. Repeat this with the remaining ingredients. For the peanut dipping sauce, whisk together the peanut butter, soy sauce, honey, warm water, and lime juice in a small bowl until smooth. If you're a fan of heat, add the chili garlic sauce. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if necessary. Serve these spring rolls with the peanut dipping sauce on the side for dipping. Remember to be gentle with the rice paper to avoid tearing, and don't overfill the rolls to ensure they can be rolled tightly. Keep the rolled spring rolls covered with a damp cloth to prevent them from drying out until ready to serve. Crafting these delicious and fresh Vietnamese spring rolls, perfect as a light meal or appetizing starter, is a culinary journey worth embarking on. Enjoy the process and the taste.